Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Hope you're doing great. In this very special video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make your mouse DPI faster. Okay? Well, in case if you don't know what DPI exactly is, DPI is dot per inch, and the higher the DPI, the faster your mouse is. Okay? So let's start the process. First is you need to search for settings here. At the bottom search bar, type settings. And the moment settings will appear here in the best match, double tap to open. And once you are being redirected to your settings, go to the left side of your screen. And then as you can see here, it has the search bar. Search for mouse settings. And this first option will appear. Go to this, click that, and then here you need to look for additional mouse settings. Okay, it has this under related settings. Additional mouse settings, go to the arrow icon here, and this mouse properties window will appear. Okay, here under this speed, aligning the speed, you can manually adjust the speed of your mouse. You can go with slow, fast, or go with the middle one. And once you are satisfied with the speed that you've chosen, just click on apply and then OK. Okay? So once done, proceed to the third option of mouse properties, which is the pointer options. Here under the select the pointer speed, just manually again adjust the speed of the pointer that you wanted. Okay? So once you're satisfied, click on apply again and then OK. Okay? So once done, just simply close this. Okay? So that is the step on how to make your DPI in mouse faster. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.